Active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, are the heart of any medication. They're the substances that produce the intended effects in our bodies. Imagine a pill. It's not just a random mix of ingredients. The API is the powerhouse, whether it's fighting infections, managing pain, or controlling chronic conditions. The journey of an API starts in the lab, where scientists meticulously design and synthesize these compounds. Each API undergoes rigorous testing for safety and efficacy before it ever reaches your pharmacy. The process is complex, involving chemistry, biology, and even regulatory hurdles to ensure that what you're taking is both effective and safe. Interestingly, APIs can be derived from natural sources, like plants, or created synthetically in labs. This versatility allows for a wide range of treatments. So the next time you take medication, remember that behind every effective dose is a carefully crafted API working tirelessly to improve your health. Please visit Sample Report Copy link for more details of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Thank you.